Welcome back. Thank you for joining me this morning. We got another quick video. This is another ProMaster, as you can see. This is going to be a 2016 ProMaster, and on this video will be a how to replace the headlight bulbs. It's going to be the same instructions for both the driver and the passenger side. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver or your finger. So these little tabs right here, they're sometimes they're snug, and you need the Phillips to actually loosen them up. Other times you can just unscrew them. So we're going to go ahead and screw this out like so. Just give me a second here. All right, so then we'll need to remove this upper cap, which once you pull these out, once you pull it out, this cap just pops out, just like that. That's one. And then down here is a little interesting. Someone's worked on this one before, but as you can see on the driver's side, this is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be another Phillips screwdriver, Phillips screw head. This one, somebody put a size 10, so I'm gonna go ahead and utilize my size 10 here to get that out. Give me a second. And this repair is very simple, very quick. These ProMasters are known to have these headlight bulbs go out frequently. Alright, so the next step here is just to peel this piece back. And you're going to have two tabs in there that pop out, just like that. Now you got three size 10s you need to release. 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and knock that out. For me, for the name of speed, I'm using my cordless ratchet here, which I love. Make sure I set my direction. There we go. That one's a little tight. So we'll get it started here. Well, it's supposed to make it fast, but you end up... That's one. Two. And... 3. Alright, once you get these 3 out, very simple. Headlight just pulls out. You can see up there, it's a little spring-loaded clip. All you do is just gently tug on the headlight and it pops out. And there's a little piece there that actually snips on or clips in there. Alright. So now you got a plug right here, which doesn't really have to be unplugged, but for what I'm doing, I need to be able to flip the headlight around. So if you look at it, so just inspect your bulb, by the way. The light, this is your this is your low beam, and the inside light is your high beam. So if we just flip that around, sorry. That's your high beam, that's your low beam. All you do is twist your cap off. See off in there, there's a clip at the very top right there. You push down on that and you pull this assembly out. And there's your headlight bulb. So let me put the new headlight bulb in. Oh, before I do that, let me show you what bulb you'll need. And so for this repair, the bulb you're going to need is a H7. So let me go ahead and pull this out. You just want to pay attention to the orientation. As you can see, the tab on the bulb is up. It's up facing this clip here. It's not towards the bottom, so you'll want to reinsert it the same way. All right, I have the new bulb in. So you'll pay attention to your clip here. There's a groove on this side and a groove on the other side. And then if you look inside of your light, there's two areas where those grooves correspond, and then you have that center mount there, which is what goes behind this tab here. So what you'll do, just push down on this, line your get your light lined up. Give me a second. Let me reorient this. I'll be right back. All right, so I slid it in, but as you can see, those black grooves on the side of the connector just need to line up, and then you can see that center. There you go. There. That center area is nice and snug underneath the light. Now it's just going to be a complete reversal of how you took it out. So put your cap back on, which is this is a weatherproof cap. Keep water out of there. Flip our light around. Reconnect our connector. Position our headlight. Remember, line that little nipple up, and the spring-loaded clip will find its way and lock back in. See, everything's lined up. 3 holes lined up, and see this light's already broken. Somebody already broke this one, but okay, that's no problem. I'm gonna get our size 10s lined back up. Power tools are your friend, that's for sure. Use where applicable. Let me get these snug back up, and I'll be right. There we go. I can feel it get in there. And looks like this thing is already, because this headlight, the bottom tab is broken, and I work for a fleet location, so who knows who's been all into these trucks. So yours won't be like that unless you hit something. All right, now take our little cap here, pop it back in. Make sure you're bringing it around the front. Go. And then your upper cap, you have those 2 clips, and they go into your 2 holes on your headlight, and that piece tucks in the fender, and then this comes around the front just like that. Screw that back in. And that'll be it. That will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for any other videos that I have. I work on a lot of different vehicles at work. So when I get a moment, I'll be doing some ProMaster content, maybe some Mercedes-Benz Metris content. And then of course I'll be doing my general automotive repair content when I get a job, side job outside of work. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Enjoy your holiday.